How's it going, guys? Hope your day is going well. Mine's going great, and I'm back with some more budget-friendly tech. Just like me, I know you guys love saving some cash and getting the most bang for your buck. We've looked at budget keyboards, mice, earbuds, and phones, but one thing we've never taken a look at is Bluetooth speakers. Some of you were asking me to check out some, so I'm here with a $20 waterproof speaker, and spoiler guys, it has me impressed. What's good, people? I'm YetiMachete. Tech ain't easy, I'm here to help. So the Riodo Bluetooth speaker has a very rugged look to it. It seems like it can take some abuse. The face of the speaker is pretty plain except for some branding, which I don't find to be intrusive. The front and back are made out of a hard plastic with a very nice blue or red beveled edge depending on what color you opt for. Sandwiched between the plastic is a hard rubber-like material with flaps over the ports to help achieve that IPX7. Because this speaker is somewhat waterproof, it can withstand being in up to 3 feet of water. Just make sure to completely shut that flap on the left side where your aux and micro USB is, otherwise you will damage your speaker. The right corner has a rubber tab, which if you want can attach to the included suction cup or clip. If you do not like the rubber tab, you can remove it with a Phillips head screwdriver. Up top you will find all your controls like power on and off, play pause, and volume controls, which sadly don't double for skipping tracks. And that's pretty much my only major complaint with this speaker. If you want to change tracks, you have to use your phone, which is pretty disappointing and at times very annoying. On their Amazon page, they claim 12 hours of music playback. Now, the 800 milliamp hour battery got me more around 10 hours at 100% volume playback, and I'm extremely pleased with that. Charging the speaker back up surprisingly only took about 2 hours. So, all in all, this speaker is looking really good, but none of that matters if the speaker sounds like complete garbage. Now I'll go ahead and let you guys take a listen first. You wanna be an icon, a young motherfucking legend, 27, from a city where they ain't fucking with me, I'm the one, so I still represent it. Icon, a young motherfucking legend, 27, in my city, man, they ain't fucking with me, I'm the one, and I will represent it. When they curse my name, they ain't my fuse. Now, I'm recording a video. Now obviously that's not the best representation of how this speaker really sounds, but it gives you an idea. For $20, this legit blew me away. The bass is there and it sounds great. Everything gets loud and there is no noticeable distortion at max volume. Whatever I was listening to, I was impressed considering the price. If you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker, whether it's going to be your first or you just want to get something a little more portable, or maybe waterproof for the shower, and you don't want to spend a whole lot of cash, I think this right here is the cream of crop when it comes to $20 Bluetooth speakers. Now, I know I've been impressed with this one, and its new home is going to be the shower. That's going to wrap up the video, guys. If you guys do enjoy the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out my other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.